Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you're here for today's video because it is time for another crafty tutorial. So today's video is for all my Freshie makers out there. We are going to be making some Freshies, but for the past week I have been experimenting with some different acrylic paints and like the puffy 3D fabric paint. And I tried this one method and I loved how my Freshies came out. So of course I had to share it with you guys. So I'm gonna be showing you that method today and how I got these Freshies to look so flawless. Alright y'all, so for this you're going to need your basic car Freshie supplies. If you don't know what those are, then make sure you check out my video description where I'm going to list all of my supplies and link where I got them. So other than the basic car Freshie supplies that you're going to need, for today's specific video, we are going to be using these silicone molds that I got off of Amazon. They have like some fine details in the bottom, so we are going to be painting the design prior to baking the car Freshie, and we are going to be using some apple barrel matte acrylic paint. You certainly don't have to use this brand, but I do recommend that you use matte acrylic paint. I just use this one because it's super cheap. I can get it at Walmart or any other craft store, or you can buy like larger assorted packs off of Amazon. But I just like these because they are cheap and they come in so many different pretty shades. So I'm going to be using this one in one of these fine needlepoint squeeze bottles that came in a pack off of Amazon as well. And then in the other bottle I have some pink puffy paint, and this is the Tulip brand, and this is the Slick Dimensional fabric paint. So I have that in one bottle and then the apple barrel matte acrylic paint in the other. So I'm super excited to jump into this, so let's go ahead and get started. So I just finished painting the inside of the silicone molds, so now we are going to let these set and completely dry before we are ready to pour the aroma beads in and actually bake the Freshies. Alright you guys, so my puffy paint and my acrylic paint is completely dry to the touch. It's been a few hours, so now we are ready to pour in our aroma beads that are already cured right over this, and then we are ready to bake our Freshies. I'm just going to go ahead and put my roofing nail down, and then we can pour in our beads. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I'm ready to stick these Freshies in the oven. So my oven is already preheated to 300 degrees, and I'm going to bake these for roughly 15 minutes because the silicone molds take a little bit longer than the metal cookie cutters do. Alright guys, so my timer went off about a minute ago, so these have actually been in here for about 16 minutes because I did check them and they still weren't done, but I'll show you how I check. I just tap on them, and if the beads don't pull up with your finger, then they are completely done. So you see how these don't pull up? These are completely done. So before I let these Freshies cool, I'm gonna take this metal spoon and just go around the edges here and press down all of those spikes or jagged edges so that we don't have to trim those later. But you gotta do it while they are fresh out of the oven and still really hot. Alright, so now that we are done with that, now we are going to let these Freshies completely cool before we are ready to demold them and check them out. Alright guys, so my Freshies are completely cool to the touch now, so now we are ready to demold them and see how they turned out. So this was the Puffy Paint one. Check this out. Look at how perfectly smooth. It's like level with the actual Freshie. It feels so nice. No residue left in the silicone mold. It completely brings it up, so that's nice. Okay, and now for the matte acrylic paint. And look at this one. Flawless as well. Looks awesome. It did leave a little bit of residue in the bottom of this one, but barely. But that's nothing that I don't think some hot water and some soap can take care of. So I think both of these came out so good. So I absolutely love how these Freshies came out. They look so good, and if you make Freshies, I definitely think this method is worth trying out. So that's where I'm gonna leave you guys today. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, then please click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I would greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.